about 67. And this is a test of the emergency alert system. And this concludes this test. This summer...
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is a coordinated test of the broadcast stations in your area.
And this concludes this test. And this concludes this test.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
And this concludes this test.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a hurricane, flood, or tornado, official messages would have followed the alert tone. WABC-TV serves the New York area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.